In this video, I will guide you on how to change ringtone on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. This is also going to work out for the Redmi Note 15 and the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus or the 5G as well. So to change ringtone or set a song as ringtone, you want to head over to the settings of your device and then you want to scroll all the way down and you're going to find the sounds and vibration settings. Go ahead and tap on that. Now over here, you can see the ringtone option. Go ahead and select that as well. And this is basically the ringtone page. So first, you can actually set a song on your phone as ringtone from the choose local ringtone option over here. And once you tap on it, you actually have three options. So you have to actually allow this. And these are your three options. So you have the option to record the ringtone or to choose from your audio files or even select from the music application. So take for instance, if you already have the song downloaded, you can just go over to audio files and then this is going to open up the file manager of your Redmi Note 15 Pro. Tap on allow and then give it all of the permission it requires, and this is just going to access all of the audio files which you can now choose from. These are actually some royalty free music which I downloaded, and I can go ahead and select any of these songs to set as the ringtone on my Redmi phone. If you do not have local ringtones, you can also scroll a little bit down and then install any ringtone you want into your Redmi Note 15 Pro. So there are actually ringtones arranged in different categories from over here, and you can go ahead and select any category of your choice and change to any of the ringtones over here by just tapping on that particular ringtone. So you can go ahead and select this. Once you're done listening and then you like the song, you can just go ahead and tap on this ringtone icon on the right hand side and then just tap on ringtone, and this particular song will as well be downloaded and set as ringtone on your Redmi phone. There is also the option for you to use the pre-installed ringtones, which are actually songs that has already been installed. All you just have to do is to select from the pre-installed songs. So if you tap on ringtones over here, we have a ton of ringtones you can actually select from, and you can actually just tap on any of it, and any of the ringtones you choose from over here will automatically be set as the default ringtone. And I hope this tutorial was helpful, guys. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel.